A massive wildfire that broke out in Lokva Rogoznica on Thursday night spread rapidly toward the center of Omiš, consuming homes, cars, and boats. A firefighter at the scene described the scene as apocalyptic. Firefighters, local residents, and tourists endured one of the most difficult nights in recent Croatian history. Fire Chief Slavko Tukakovic confirmed that it was one of the most destructive fires ever recorded in the country.
Ne znam, nisam pamet. Na ulaz tamo, šta? Dođi do tunela, desno stani. Treba to. Ušamo je dobro već.
Emergency medical services treated 19 people, 10 of whom suffered burns, and 2 seriously injured individuals were transferred to the hospital in Split.
Evo, ode naša kućica. Ode naša kućica, njegova. Ne znam što da kažem.
Around 150 evacuees were accommodated in reception centers in Omiš, Dugirat, Makarska, and Split, while up to 1,000 people took temporary shelter in the Omiš Sports Hall. The fire ravaged the settlements of Ivašnjak, Staro Selo, Podvajla, Nemira, Stanici, and Medici.
Protutnja je kroz nas ko metak.
The Fortica fortress above Omiš was destroyed, and the flames nearly reached the rooftops of the old town center and the city's industrial district. A total of 286 firefighters with 93 vehicles from across Croatia were deployed to the scene, ranging from the Koprivnica, Križevci, and Krapina, Zagorje regions to Dubrovnik, Neretva, and the Zagreb City Fire Department, along with 4 Canadair CL-415 helicopters dispatched in the morning. Firefighting efforts were severely hampered by gale force winds that spread the flames, while residents reported explosions from gas cylinders. Hundreds of people were evacuated by boat, and fuel supplies at the Omiš gas station were reserved exclusively for emergency vehicles. 19 people were injured. Between 900 and 1,000 hectares of land burned, and 1,000 people were evacuated in a massive fire that struck the Omiš region last night.
Samo polako, samo polako.
The extent of the damage has not yet been assessed, reported Fire Chief Slavko Tukakovic. The situation is somewhat calmer this morning. There are no longer any open flames, but there is a lot of smoke and various incidents occurring across the fire zone, stretching from Mimic to Omiš. Tukakovic told Croatian radio and television. Tukakovic added that the fire had reached the town of Omiš and assessed the situation as quite dire, noting that many houses had been gutted by the flames.
Samo jedan detalj.
I cannot give specific figures. Many vehicles were destroyed. The most important thing is that there were no fatalities. The 19 injured individuals were treated by emergency medical services. The police, together with civil protection, handled the bulk of the resident evacuations, and the Red Cross was also involved, he said. Tukakovic added that a medical station had been set up in a hall in Omiš, while some people were transported by 4 buses to Gripe in Split for further care. The Croatian Fire Service previously reported that a call regarding an open area fire in the Lokva Rogoznica region was received on Thursday at 8:15 p.m. Grass, low-lying vegetation, and pine forests were affected across an area of undetermined size. The fire broke out near buildings and spread rapidly due to strong winds. A new fire broke out on Friday morning near Kuna Pelješka on the Pelješac Peninsula. Strong winds caused it to spread quickly, confirmed Stjepan Simovic, commander of the Dubrovnik-Neretva County Fire Service, speaking to HINA. 4 fire trucks have been deployed to the scene. The situation is very serious. Strong winds are spreading the fire and houses are situated close together, said Simovic. The official cause of the massive fire remains unknown. Firefighters stated that the situation was likely caused by a combination of a heat wave, the nocturnal Bora wind, and dry vegetation and trees. There are currently around 80 firefighters on the ground. Vyacheslav Pešić, commander of the Omiš operational area, told Nova TV. He added that the fire had spread beyond populated areas, which is why it continued to burn. We respond to every call and every sighting of smoke, and we deal with it, Pešić added. He stated that he did not wish to speculate on the possible cause, leaving that investigation to his police colleagues. We tend to think that large-scale fires only happen in Spain and Portugal, yet here, 1,000 hectares burned in just 4 hours. That is a vast area and a large number of homes, the commander said. Residents of the Omiš area described a dramatic battle against the massive blaze. Traffic congestion hampered firefighters' efforts to reach the scene, resulting in greater damage, while eyewitnesses spoke of a harrowing scene.